At Lexington Manufacturing, we're more than an OEM supplier. We're a component manufacturing partner. With decades of experience and a full suite of capabilities, we help streamline production, solve challenges, and deliver exceptional products.
Our core products still reside in the fenestration industry, so that's components for OEMs who make windows and doors, specifically single-family residential windows and architectural flush doors. So we would provide all of the components required to make those finished products. We also specialize in the custom shutter industry, furniture industries, and we've recently gone all in on the patio door style industry as well, patio door market. Lexington's core capabilities are pretty vast. We specialize in anything from profile wrapping, flat lamination, panel processing, core optimization, ripping of materials, CNC routing. We have an automated paint line, several paint booths, and we recently installed a state-of-the-art 5-piece cabinet door assembly line on top of that. What makes us unique for a one-stop shop is we work really hard to have our customers and our markets know the full breadth of everything that Lexington can offer. And that's really serviced us well with this shopping cart approach, adding different products from different industries all within the building material space.
Known first for our CNC machining capability, we deliver exacting detail across wood, fiberglass, PVC, and aluminum. From weep holes to complex geometries, we have the ability to machine components that integrate seamlessly into any production line. Lexington's high-speed molding lines produce precision profiles for any millwork application. With scalable production and tight tolerances, we help you meet demand without compromise. Our painting systems deliver consistent high-quality finishes. With both automated and handheld paint processes, we cover a variety of needs. Whether bold or subtle, every part meets your aesthetic and durability standards, ready for seamless integration. Our profile wrapping capability enhances substrates with durable finishes, ideal for window components and architectural profiled elements. From dark colors to challenging shapes, we wrap a variety of materials with various treatments available. Our panel processing maximizes material yield and precision, optimizing to reduce waste and to ensure every component is built to spec. These processed panels are used primarily for door components due to their structure and precision, but can be used in other close tolerance wood applications. Our gluing and lamination process ensures strong lasting bonds across wood and composite materials. With component lamination for door styles and rails, banded door lamination, and full panel lamination options, we deliver structural integrity and reliability while allowing customers to scale how much they want us to do. From creating just the style to assembling a full door slab, we offer scalability.
Capabilities help our customers streamline their operations by really removing the headaches that come from sourcing raw materials, building components, and really helps them focus on what they do best, and that's building finished doors and windows in other products.
Lexington Manufacturing is built for partnership. All of our capabilities work together to provide our customers a one-stop solution provider so they can focus on the core of their business. With American-made precision, scalable options, and a commitment to your success, we help you build better, faster, and smarter. Learn more about our capabilities at lexingtonmfg.com.